I think somebody said that on this topic that you think work smarter, not harder, is a phrase that you dislike. Somebody on Reddit told me this.
Yeah, I don't just dislike it. I hate that phrase.
Okay. Tell me about your hatred. How do you feel?
The reason why I dislike that is that there is a kind of a hidden suggestion there, which is that you already know what smarter is. So just do that. That actually things should be easy. You should just not have to like try that hard. You should just do the quick, easy, obvious path and boom, it's done. It's like, I've never experienced that in anything I've done. Everything is actually really hard, and most of the time, I don't even know what I'm doing. So therefore, I don't even know what smart looks like. And so for me, the only way I can learn how to work smart is by working very, very hard and knowing that there's no shortcuts. And then when I finally figure out what smart is, when I work smart and work hard, it is that much better.
I think there's a deep, profound truth to that.
There's a lot of these phrases that just drive me nuts in our society.
But that one is, that one is really accepted. If we can just linger on it, because it really bothers me as well. So one, which is a really nice thing you said, the presumption there is things should be easy. And you're a failure if you don't see the easy path. Yeah. That's kind of the implied thing.
Just work smart, dog. Yeah. Why are you putting in all those hours?
And so it makes a lot of people that struggle feel like they're a failure.
Yeah.
Because like, I don't see it. And then the choice they have, well, I'll just go with I'll just be lazy, and then maybe the profound truth will come to me somehow. And yeah, I don't think I've met great engineers that find the smart way without the extremely hard work. The annoying thing about those great engineers is then looking back, they forget the hard work because they remember all the joy they now are experiencing from all the efficient, smart work they've figured out how to do. They forget. So when they give advice, they give the stupid fucking advice of, well, just do it like, the easy way.
Yeah.
And here's the easy way. But no. You have to put in the hours. Like, musical instrument is a beautiful example. Guitar and piano, I've put in, I don't know how many thousands of hours. And now when I'm explaining stuff, jiu-jitsu as well, I sound like one of those people like, just relax, in jiu-jitsu. By the way, just relax is a really wonderful thing for physical endeavors like piano and so on. But to learn how to relax your hand, how to relax your mind, your body, and use the biomechanics of your body to apply the correct kind of leverage and the timing and all that takes thousands of hours of learning. Just to learn how to relax takes a lot of really hard work. In jiu-jitsu, that takes many months of getting your ass beat over and over until you ride the bus home crying, your ego completely shattered and destroyed, and then like a little element is figured out late that night or next morning. And from the depression, there's this little plant that grows, this flower of insight. And you use that insight to then get your ass kicked again all next fucking month and year. And then you grow and grow and grow. And from that, you discover how beautifully simple jiu-jitsu is, or judo is, just speaking for myself, or piano or guitar. And then, yes, the profound truth or the mastery of a skill feels simple when you finally arrive to it. But the path is, for most people, is going to be a hard one.
I think I should make an addendum to the phrase. I think the phrase should be work hard, get smart.
Nice. That's a t-shirt.
That's what it should be.
Yeah, agreed. Okay, that was a tangent of a tangent.
Can I say one more phrase, cultural phrase that I absolutely hate?
Yes.
The journey is better than the destination. Right? Everyone's heard this, right?
Mm-hmm.
Just take 1 second to apply what that means. That means forever, starting from now, you are only going towards a place that's worse. Right? Like that literally is what it means. Right? Enjoy the journey. celebrate the destination. That's like, that should be what it would be. But
Mhm.
no, people say these phrases, they're everywhere. There's these very shallow phrases that have no logical bounds to them.
Mhm.
You're just like, what does that, why would the journey ever be better than the destination? Because you're always, I think this might even be a C.S. Lewis quote, is that C.S. Lewis was like,
No.
nope, this is terrible. The journey is not, in fact, better than the destination.
I love the demotivational posters. Progress, moving forward is better than moving backwards, even if you're still going nowhere. There's a lot.
I feel that one so much, being in California for a few years. That is painful.
Positivity. If it doesn't break you today, don't worry. It will try again tomorrow. It's just a lot of really great posters.
I didn't even know this was a thing.
This is a thing.
Oh my gosh, I want that.
Yeah.